from the curves.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's this, Bella?
The presents.
That world best dad.
And there's a card in there first.
Wow.
I colored it rainbow. And look at the back. I colored it rainbow.
Wow. Okay, read it for me.
Look, dear Dad, we love you.
Zulu.
Dear Dad, we love you. Happy Father's Day. Then open it some more.
Oh, it's an extended card.
Yes.
Happy Father's Day. You are the best from Bria. From Bella. This is your hand?
Yes. Look.
That's your hand?
Rainbow.
That's a rainbow.
I colored my hand.
What's this? Your
Look.
hand? That's your hand?
Yes. Wow. You like?
I do.
Yes. Now open your present. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
I love it already.
You're gonna love it even more. Open it.
Wow,
Look,
this
that's
is-
Bella. That's Bella. That's me.
This is awesome. Wow.
That's Bella.
Yes.
And look. But wait.
This is
Look
like
at this.
crazy.
Look.
Wow. Boy. Oh, boy. No.
Look.
This is a
That
book. Wow. Thank
You're
you.
so deep.
This is a book of. This is a wow. This is really cool.
Yeah, and it also says that our names in each picture.
I see.
See, and look, Bella.
What's that? B-E-L-L-A, what's that? That's Bella. I'm just impressed with this. This is a holiday book from Bria and Bella. This is a well thought of movie. I've been working well. This is lovely, guys.
Come give me a hug. I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you so much. Chair.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile.
Hey guys, we missed you so much.
When I'm in the building.
I in particular missed you so much because you've been seeing a little of Brian. What's up, guys? Couplings family. What's up? Couplings family, welcome back to another video right here on Stuff from the Cups, where we give you fire.
We're fun.
Inspirational.
We're real.
And we're educational. Guys, I know that it has been a while since you've seen me. And we're just giving you a little update today, as well as, you know, just show you a little bit of what we're doing. So, first of all, this video is mainly about our first time staying at a hotel in Kingston.
Yeah, but it's in a season that we call a Sterling season. So we've been very busy as it relates to the Sterling Gospel Music Awards. Go check us out on YouTube and on Instagram. But we are in Kingston. Hot Kingston. Not cool Mandeville.
Nope.
And it's our first time staying over at a Kingston hotel.
Well,
second time. Honeymoon. Y'all waiting for that story,
yeah,
right?
we're going to give you that story soon. No,
the very first time we were at a hotel in Kingston, we spent one night and it was magical. But this is the first time we're staying for more than a night and it's been a while, 7 years.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be telling you about staying at a hotel in Kingston
for the first time
versus a hotel on the
coast,
south coast or
the north coast. I think one of the reasons why we've never really stayed at a hotel in Kingston, one, we have family in Kingston who we've always chosen to stay with, you know, like the company and family and everything. And two, we've never really had a reason. We've never really had a reason, like a business reason. Even when we would have come on business trips, we always would stay with family. But this time around, as it relates to the Sterling Gospel Music Awards, and for those of you who don't know,
hold on, Yang, Kingston.
Bang, bang, bang. For those of you who don't know what the Sterling Gospel Music Awards is, it's Jamaica's only national gospel awards show. It's the only national awards show in general, and this is our 5th staging. So you see me a little bit dressed up. We had our media launch earlier today, so we're back at the hotel and we're going to tell you all about that. The media launch was amazing. Brian was the MC.
And I deal with the production, so that's why you see me looking in black and she's all dolled up.
Yes.
So this is the different sides of us. She's a beautiful bee and I'm the productive bee. I'm not saying she's not productive, guys. Don't do it.
I know you're
I'm
not
the worker
that.
bee.
I should have put on some lipstick rub off. But anyway, yeah guys, so a quick update on us. As Brian said, we've been really busy with Sterling, as some of you may see on social media, etc. But we'll be back. New talent showcase, production wise, recordings, planning. And
we have 2 girls.
So you know how that goes.
They don't stop. They have full-fledged production every single day.
Yeah, so we will be back on track with our uploads very soon as the award season is over. But we thank you for sticking with us and for checking in. For those of you who have been messaging or leaving comments and stuff, thank you. So our first time staying at a hotel in Kingston, it has been a pleasant surprise.
Before we even get into the pleasant surprise, one of the reasons I always never advocated for this is because I don't know if it makes sense to stay at a hotel in Kingston, because it is nothing compared to the North Coast.
Meaning we don't have any beach and stuff.
The beach, the pool. That was my view. So I always used to be like, no.
Yes, that's true. You used to say that for true.
Yeah, even when we honeymooned for the night,
Brian
I was like,
didn't want to.
Why Kingston?
And I'm like, what, I went to the go home? No.
Yeah. So it's, you expect it to be just a room. You expect it to just be somewhere where you lay your head.
But let me tell you guys, the official hotel sponsor for the Sterling Gospel Music Awards is our hotel. And that's on 2 Renfrew Road in New Kingston. And guys, we are staying in the penthouse loft for 3 nights, 4 days. And guys, let me tell you, it feels like
we want to stay here.
Yeah, we want to stay a little longer.
This is like a full-fledged home.
Yes, upstairs, and we'll show you the whole tour if you haven't seen it already. Upstairs and downstairs, dryer, washer, kitchen, fridge, full fridge. I mean, the rooms are beautiful. The whole infrastructure, how modern it is. I love the white. I love the white walls, the white curtains. I think it does a lot for videos.
I don't know anything about that, guys. I get what she's saying, guys, and it's beautiful, it's amazing. But for me, I don't care about the colors of the wall. I'm sorry. We don't look at that, right?
I love it.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not saying that a man is not supposed to be conscious about interior decorating and all of that. I love it. But I'm not so fussy about the walls. I just feel at home. I just feel at home, and of course we made it home.
Yeah, our hotel, we would recommend it. I would recommend our hotel to anybody who has anybody who has a business trip overseas or local. If you have to stay at a hotel in Kingston, we highly recommend our hotel in Kingston. And hold on, let me tell you about the food. Last night we had room service and
the loaded fries.
Guys,
we got food from, what's it, District 5?
District 5.
Yeah, it's one of the new,
Chef Lumley.
Yeah,
Woo!
It's one of the new, and he named Brian, so what did you expect?
Brian Lumley.
I mean, just
so
like this Brian, we can cook. Brian's can cook.
Yeah, actually, you cooked Mother's Day dinner very well, so
yeah,
I'll give you that.
We do gourmet.
Yeah.
We don't do normal food.
District 5, and that's the rooftop restaurant at our hotel, and it's also a walk-in restaurant, so you can always come in and just go to the restaurant without staying here. And last night we had loaded fries, we had fish and chips, we had curry goat and seasoned rice, we had jerk chicken and mashed potato. Guys,
I'm sorry, we don't have any videos for that. Like,
listen, it's after we started eating.
Yeah.
I realized that we didn't video it, but let me tell you, maybe we'll catch it some other time. But let me tell you guys, the food exceptional. And there's something that I've complained about before, the fact that a lot of times when we order food at different places, full of pepper, especially curry, full of pepper. And I say to people, if it's well seasoned, it doesn't need to be filled with pepper. You can have pepper as an addition. And all the food last night, the kids could have had some. And I'm just so impressed. I messaged the sales and marketing manager, Stephen Whiteley, here at our hotel, and I said to him, listen, the food, I'm so impressed with the food, because not everywhere you go, like, the place would be nice and everything, and then the food may be a little bit of a disappointment. Here at our hotel, nope. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend it.
All right, and if you don't believe us, take a look at this for yourself. And of course, until next time, this has been, I mean, I'm gonna tell you about the gym. I'm gonna show you the gym. 24-hour gym.
We're going to vlog for the rest of the time.
24-hour gym. You know, we gotta keep the guns.
Somebody suggested that we do some more vlogs. So I'm also going to vlog. We're going to vlog the Sterling production as well and show you after Sterling. Sterling is July 11 on TVJ. Make sure that you tune in. It's going to be amazing. So we'll have that vlog after July 11, but leading up we will have some footage of just, you know, us up and down while we vacay, guys, at our hotel. I'm not gonna promise though. I'm not gonna promise, because when we get really busy, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. We have a lot doing. Yeah. Yeah, we have a lot doing, but we're going to try to get it in. So guys, we miss you and we love you and we thank you. I've been here. Yeah, we thank you for sticking with us. As I said at the beginning of the video, after the Sterling season, the award season is over, we will do our best to get back on track with our uploads and all of that. But in the meantime, you can keep up with us on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok. Keep up with us, guys. She's a TikTok lady. I ain't no TikTok. Keep up with us, guys. We appreciate you, we love you, and we'll see you in the next video. But yeah, YouTube just might as block if we talk about TikTok for their platform. Yeah, but they have. Guys, she look good now. Thank you. She's all mine. Sorry. Yes. I'm sorry. Yes. In some countries, they say she look like a whole snack. Jamaicans, we ain't sing that. I look like a whole jerk chicken. I'm cornmeal porridge. Yeah, I look like a whole Sunday dinner. Bye, guys.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.